The Orient 1 is a simplistic and elegantly designed retractable banner stand that is easy to take anywhere. Attaching the graphic to your stand is simple. Begin by pulling out the plastic end caps on either side, opening the snapping portion of the rail, and removing the adhesive slider. Align the adhesive slider with the top edge of your graphic. Carefully remove the adhesive tape from your slider and apply pressure. Peel back the protective covering 2 inches and press onto the graphic. Carefully remove the rest of the protection and press firmly. Next, slide the graphic into the top rail, snap closed, and reinsert your end caps. Re-roll your graphic so that the top rail is in the center and flip the graphic over. Line the bottom of the graphic up with the top of your white leader strip, which is attached to the base. Apply masking tape to either side of the leader strip to prevent it from moving in the process. Once aligned, carefully peel back the protective coating and slowly join with the graphic. Apply pressure to ensure a solid attachment. Prior to retracting the graphic into the base, place a strip of masking tape across the seam for additional security. Grasp your graphic firmly and remove the pin from the right side of the base. Slowly feed the graphic into the stand. Once complete, your Orient retractable banner stand is ready for display.